Talaga ang trabaho ng mga judges natin tonight because every bit of this competition, every step and every level of this pageant is being scored and graded by our 6 judges right here today. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po muli for being with us here tonight for another surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call on the supervising producer of Miss International Queen Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Tay Endencia.
Hi, good evening everybody. Congratulations po sa lahat ng contestant namin sa Miss International Queen. So I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung prepare po namin na show para po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ay para sa world equality ng LGBT community ng Pilipinas. Kami po ay sobrang matutuwa sa lahat po na nag-support para po maging isang malaking event po ito sa ating bansa. So, alam ko po lahat kayo ay excited na at gusto niyo pong malaman kung ano po yung mga susunod na mangyayari sa Miss International Queen Philippines. So, allow me po to introduce na this coming March 2022 po, i-held po namin ang Miss International Queen Philippines sa SMX Mall of Asia. Mas marami yung mga manonood gustong-gusto nyo po talaga maka-witness ulit ng ganitong klaseng pageant. Yung national director po namin, I would like to formally introduce and to announce sa inyo pong lahat. Actually, nung first time kong nakita po itong bagay na to, sobra kaming kinilabutan ni National Director nung nakita po namin at nung nahawakan ko po. Finally. And gustong-gusto po namin na siya ngayon i-introduce sa inyong lahat kung ano po yung pwedeng makuha ng mananalo po ng Miss International Queen Philippines po. At ito po ay isa sa pinakahangad ng lahat ng candidates. Ang hirap po mamili no, Board of Judges. No? Mang Wilma, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Si Jenny, maraming salamat po. Matali ko pong kaibigan niya. Maraming salamat sa pag-support po. So again po, ito pong next VTR po natin. Ito po yung talagang inaabangan ng lahat ng candidates natin po para pa sa Miss International Queen Philippines. So allow me to introduce to you po this short clip VTR na inaabangan po natin from God Diamond's crown. Ito po yung crown ng Miss International Queen Philippines from Thailand na nila na po dito sa Pilipinas. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. So yun po, hindi na po magpapatagal. Thank you so much for coming. So I hope you enjoy the show. So we'll see you po next year at SMX Mall of Asia. Magandang gabi po.
Ladies and gentlemen, the crowd by God Diamonds. Please watch.
The most coveted title that signifies honor, unity, and power. Who will emerge the finest? Let the stars align for the first Miss International Queen Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss International Queen Philippines National Director, Michelle Montecarlo.
Mula sa bumubuo ng Miss International Queen Philippines, and of course, spearheaded by the Miss International Queen Headquarters, Madame Alisa Pantusak, Sir Tiger, and all the people behind this very glorious day, this very queenly day. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong pagsuporta, sa inyong pagmamahal, at sa inyong pong pagtangkilik ng napakainit at pagyakap ng napakainit sa Miss International Queen Philippines. Ladies, we are so proud of you. Ladies, your fans are so proud of you. And I am very sure that Miss International Queen Philippines is so proud of us. Palakpakan mo natin ang ating mga fans. I will not make a statement very long, but all I wish that whoever would be crowned the Miss International Queen Philippines would really be an epitome of not just elegance, of not just beauty, but a beauty queen, a Miss International Queen Philippines who would really give everybody what we deserve. Maging simbolo ng equality, ang babaeng magtatanggol sa ating kasarian, at ang babaeng magpapakilala sa buong mundo that we, trans women of the Philippines, are here and we are bound to increase in numbers. Thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat.